Hello, Assalamu alaikum, dear learners of English literature. Today I am going to talk about sonnet. Sonnet is a lyrical poem consisted of 14 iambic pentameter lines. In fact, Petrarch, an Italian poet, invented sonnet form. Later, Renaissance and Elizabethan authors imported and practiced sonnet in England, and sonnet got additional dimension at the hands of Henry Howard, Thomas Wyatt, Sir Philip Sidney, Edmund Spenser, and William Shakespeare. So these are the great literary masters of Elizabethan period, and because of the influence of Renaissance, they imported and practiced sonnet even in England, and they also added new dimension to their sonnet, and thus later it is recognized as English sonnet. So now we would know the other materials, in fact, the materials of a sonnet. So sonnet, in fact, is consisted of lot of things, in fact, materials, and among the things, we know that sonnet is a lyrical poem. So lyric is a short, subjective, and highly musical poem expressing the poet's philosophy in a very emotional and passionate way. And we know that sonnet is one of the genres of lyric. And now, iambic or iambus. Iambic or iambus is a disyllabic meter in which one unaccented or unstressed syllable is followed by an accented or stressed syllable. And generally in sonnet, iambic or iambus meter is used. And the other things that we need to take in our consideration, accent or stress. So accent or stress indicates special emphasis on a particular word or portion of a word while pronouncing. So stress or accent depends on pronunciation of the speaker. And unaccent or unstressed. Unaccent or unstressed means feeling relaxed while pronouncing a word or portion of a word. So this combination of accent and unaccent in fact creates a kind of sound and undoubtedly give the musical quality to a sonnet. So syllable. Syllable is a unit of pronunciation. A vowel sound is a must in a syllable. Example, limitation, there are four vowel sounds, so it's a tetrasyllabic word. Happy, on the other hand, is a disyllabic word. There are two vowel sounds. Big is a monosyllabic word, and happiness is a trisyllabic word. There are four unit and for the syllable. Characteristic of a sonnet. So 14-line use of iambic meter, 2 or 4 parts, short and simple, theme of love, subjective, lyrical, use of high emotion and passion. These are the key features of a sonnet. So while studying a sonnet, a reader has to take in consideration these things. Then differences between Patrarchean and English sonnet. So Patrarchean sonnet has 2 parts, octave, the first 8 lines, and sestet, the last 6 lines. On the other hand, English sonnet has 4 parts, 3 quatrain. In fact, 4-line stanza pattern is called quatrain, and a couplet, 2 poetic lines with same rhyme at the end. So the secondly, Patrarchean sonnet rhyme pattern of octave is ABBA, ABBA, and rhyming of sestet is CD, 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 or CDE, CDE, but rhyme pattern of English sonnet is AB, AB, CD, CD, EF, EF, G, G. So these two distinctions possess 2 different rhyme patterns. Theme of Patrarchean sonnet is mainly courtly love. On the other hand, English sonnet theme is love with all its varieties: courtly, friendly, patriotic, familiar, and heavenly love, etc. And the other